Hello everybody again.
Hello everybody again.
This time we're going to learn about a new book.
This time we found a new book.
Cambridge Primary Science Learner's Book 1.
Cambridge Science Learner's 1.
Let's start.
Let's start.
Unit 1, Living Things.
Unit 1, Living Things.
Lesson 1.1,
Lesson 1.1.
Animals and Plants Alive.
Animals and plants alive.
We are going to
We are going to
find living things
find living things
and things that have never been alive.
and other things and never been alive.
Draw some living things
Some living things
and put things into group.
and put things to group.
So the keywords
The keywords
in this unit
in this unit
are
are
alive,
alive,
animal,
animal,
group,
group,
living,
living,
look, non-living,
non-living,
plant,
and
water.
water.
Getting started.
Getting started.
Name some living things.
Name some living things.
Look around your classroom.
Look around for your classroom.
Point to some things
Point to things
that are not alive.
that are not alive.
Use your eyes
Use your eyes
to look at the picture.
to look at a picture.
What can you see?
What can you see?
Point to a plant.
Point to the plant.
Most plants are green.
Most plants are green.
Plants make their own food.
Plants make your own food.
Point to an animal in the picture.
Point to the animal in the picture.
Animals move around and eat other things.
And around and look other things.
Plants and animals are alive.
Plants are animals are alive.
They are living things.
They are living things.
All living things need food.
All living things need food.
Water moves but is not alive.
Water moves but are not alive.
Point to other things in the picture that are non-living.
In the point of the picture and not living.
Think like a scientist.
Think like a scientist.
What living things can we find?
What living things do we find?
You will need
You will need
paper,
paper,
a pencil,
a
clipboard,
clipboard,
or thick card to rest on,
a clipboard, a baton,
a digital camera.
digital camera.
Go outside to look for living things.
Go outside to look at things.
Be careful in case there are plants,
Be careful, please. Any plant
or animals
or animals
that are prickly, sting, or bite.
or particularly sting or bite.
Try and find 4 living things.
Try and find 4 living things.
Draw and photograph some living things.
Draw and have some living things.
What is the largest living thing you can find?
What is another thing you can find?
What is the smallest living thing you can find?
What is the smallest thing you can find?
Activity.
Activity.
Living or non-living?
Living or non-living.
Zara is putting things into 2 groups.
Then I'm putting the things into groups.
Where should she put the toy?
Put a toy.
What other things should she put in the groups?
He put on the group.
Look at the non-living things.
Okay, non things.
Point to something that used to be alive.
Let's use something. Alive.
Point to some things
Something.
that have never been alive.
Never been alive.
Make a group
Make a group
of living things
living things
in a group
in a group
of non-living things.
on non-living things.
Use things from your classroom.
Using the classroom.
How do you know which things are alive?
And you know what things you know.
How am I doing?
How am I doing?
Ask a friend to look at your groups.
As a hand and in a group.
Have you put things in the right group?
I put things in a group.
How does putting things into groups help you learn science?
How you can science.
Look what I can do.
Look at mine, I can do.
I can name 4 or more things that are living.
I can make more things of goodie.
I can name 4 or more things
I can make more things
that have never been alive.
that have never been alive.
I can draw some living things.
I can write some living things.
I can put things into 2 groups.
I can do things to two groups.
So, that's the end of the first lesson of this new series. Thank you and goodbye.
Goodbye.